Hi foodies, welcome back. Today's recipe is a simple crispy potato snack that you can make for kids after school snack. Let's see how to make it. Come on. I have boiled and grated the potatoes and will season them with some everyday spices. This is such a simple, quick and easy snack recipe that everyone will love. You can even make this and refrigerate them for a day or two and just fry them whenever you want. Cornstarch for binding the mixture together. Give it a good mix and make a dough. Grease your palms and take small portions to form any shape you like. Be creative and the kids will rush to the kitchen when you make these. This is also a great party appetizer. Click the subscribe button and the bell icon for such unique recipes that I show every week. The detailed recipe is in the description box below. Make all of them and keep ready. We will deep fry them in batches so they don't stick together. Fry until golden, moving them occasionally. These don't take long to fry and the end result is fantastic. You can serve these as is or with some chutney or your favorite sauce. You may have to make a bigger batch as these disappear quickly as soon as you fry them. Hope you like the recipe. See you next week. Bye.